On the life or death trial of Parkland shooter Nicholas Cruz.
The state started its rebuttal case today, showing jurors evidence the defense never wanted them to see. Local 10's Christina Vasquez reports from Fort Lauderdale.
It is not characteristic of pervasive developmental disorder. He is communicating, he's making eye contact, he's
Forensic
describing.
psychiatrist Dr. Charles Scott told jurors the Parkland shooter's demonstrated pattern and practice of callous and cunning behavior meets criteria for antisocial personality disorder, sharing video of his evaluation with the confessed killer.
From being taught in the class.
In this clip, Nicholas Cruz talks about the leadership skills he said he learned during junior ROTC.
Whenever someone's in need, you're supposed to go up to them and make sure they're all right. If someone were to challenge you in a fight, you're supposed to walk away from it.
So it's not that he didn't know or understand that he did. It's just that with the antisocial personality disorder, they don't care. That's just not what they would do, even if they know that's what they're supposed to do.
His documented acts of aggression to people.
He hits her on the face.
And animals, like skinning lizards alive.
So sometimes I skin them alive, sometimes I set them on fire.
Examples, he said, of conduct disorder.
There's 2 swastikas, one on each side.
Jurors also saw the swastikas etched into the magazine of the Parkland shooter's AR-15 style rifle and on a boot.
I will try and kill at least 15 people.
Heard his disturbing Google searches and YouTube comments about child porn, animal abuse, racism.
I just hope there's another mass shooting.
And viewed the chilling words and depictions of mass murder BSO found in the school shooter's commissary bag during a cell inspection in May.
And you can see those jail drawings for yourself on our website. That's local10.com. Now, due to the anticipated impact to South Florida of Hurricane Ian, court now resumes on Monday. In Fort Lauderdale, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.